Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial florals, specifically showcasing what can only be described as the best blue baby breath flowers on the market, the N&T NIETING Baby's Breath Flowers. These lovely faux blooms are perfect for adding a touch of elegance and charm to any space or occasion, and we're excited to explore all their features and benefits with you. The N&T NIETING Baby's Breath Flowers come in a delightful blue hue, making them a unique choice for weddings, parties, or home decor. Unlike traditional white baby breath, this vibrant color can add a pop of freshness and creativity to your arrangements. Each pack contains 15 individual pieces, allowing you to create stunning bouquets or centerpieces with ease. What sets these flowers apart is not just their stunning appearance but also their realistic design. Crafted from high-quality polyurethane and featuring soft silica gel flower heads, these blooms look incredibly lifelike. Giving you the best of both worlds, the beauty of real flowers without the maintenance. You can easily bend or cut the sturdy stems to fit your desired arrangements, making them versatile for any decorating project. Let's talk about size. Each flower measures approximately 20.9 inches in length. And with a diameter of around 0.4 inches for the flower heads, they offer the ideal proportions for any decor style. What's even better, each flower has multiple branches, totaling about 90 small flower heads per piece. This means you can create dense, lush arrangements without needing to buy multiple packs. The N&T NIETING Baby's Breath Flowers are incredibly versatile. Whether you're planning a bridal bouquet, a decorative centerpiece for your dining table, or enhancing the ambiance at a cafe or boutique, these flowers fit the bill perfectly. They are UV resistant and require no watering, making them a hassle-free option that retains their beauty season after season. Another fantastic aspect is their ease of care. Unlike fresh flowers, these faux blooms don't require maintenance, watering, or sunlight. A quick dusting now and then is all it takes to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. This is especially great for those who may have allergies or simply want to enjoy beautiful decor without the hassle of upkeep. So, if you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and maintenance-free way to enhance your decor, the N&T NIETING Baby's Breath Flowers are undoubtedly worth considering. They bring a lovely touch of elegance and charm wherever they're placed. For more details, be sure to check them out. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting product reviews soon.